In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add PayPal as your payment method to your iCloud account. Adding PayPal to your iCloud account can be important for convenience and security reasons. It allows for seamless payment for iCloud storage upgrades and other Apple services without directly sharing credit card information. To do this, simply head into your Safari. On appleid.apple.com, go ahead and sign into your Apple ID. On this page, you will have to tap on this arrow right here. Then select this option of payment methods. You will then have to tap on Add Payment Method. As it loads, please hit that like button as it much helps for the channel growth. On this page, enter your current country location. On the second tab, tap right here to select your payment method. Choose PayPal and then tap right here to sign into your PayPal account. When signed in, your iCloud account will get connected to your PayPal account. Put in mind that if you don't see the PayPal option, that means PayPal isn't supported in your region. That's how easy it is to add your PayPal account to your iCloud. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.